Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually save your TikTok video as draft without publishing it. First thing you want to do, of course, you want to launch the TikTok app, and then you want to hit the lower center of the screen. You want to create a brand new post, hit the plus sign. Now in this particular example I am going to use this particular picture over here of the car, and now we're going to make some changes. Click on the settings menu on the right side and let's change the saturation and some of the filters over here. Of course, you can add some text. Let's add the Ferrari. Okay, let's place it underneath the car. As well, you can essentially add some other features like the stickers as a function. We can add the current date over here, which in my opinion will look cool above the car. When we finish with the settings, all we gotta do is to click next. Then we can proceed to the actual posting page. Well guys, essentially this is where the magic happens. If you wanna save it as a draft, all you gotta do is to scroll down and click on the left button draft. But my advice for you is to finish and complete the post itself. You wanna include the title, the hashtags, the description. Everything has to be fully ready for post, including the location. And when you are ready, you want to make sure that you click on the draft site. When you go back to our profile, you will see that the draft will be sitting stored on our upper left side. How are you going to publish the draft? Well, click once on the image, click twice, and then you click post. And this is how you're going to publish the draft. But let's say we change our mind and we want to delete the draft. How we can go about it? Well, all we gotta do is to click on the upper right and click on select, click on the image, and then you click delete. This is how you save a video as a draft without publishing it. This is how you delete the draft on TikTok, and this is how you move forward. Subscribe and follow for more, guys.